Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I have a quick tip for you on people running a newer version of Windows 10. This applies to May 10th, 2019. You can change the size of the cursor and mouse pointer, but you've always been able to do it. But on May 10th, 2019, they add some new features, and they're really cool. I'll show you how to get to them. Go to search, type in cursor, just C-U-R. You don't have to bring it up. Click. Now the cool thing is you can change the color now of the cursor and of the mouse pointer, and that's really cool. So here's different sizes. Unfortunately, my recording software does not pick this up. You will not see it. You have to experiment with yourself and to show you what it actually looks like. The mouse pointer won't show up in my recording software. I also took a screenshot, and it would not pick it up in the screenshot either. So I don't know what's going on there. So anyways, let's make this bigger. 5. So right now it's quite large. It's larger than the one that's pictured here. It's quite a bit larger. You can change the color. All different colors. For me, I like my mouse pointer right around about 2. On my big monitor, I find having a white small mouse pointer is very hard to find sometimes. You have to go with the mouse, move it around till you locate your pointer. You can also change the size of the cursor when you're typing. You can do it down here. Now, if you don't like any of these, just go back in there and reset them if you don't like them. But I'm keeping mine set to the color one because it really looks cool. And trust me, you have to go in there and experiment with it and just see what you think. And like I said, if you don't like it, just bring them all back down to 0, and you'll be back to normal. So people that will benefit from this are people with very large monitors or people with vision problems. So basically, that's just a quick tip for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.